Thank you.
Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Angela Aquino. I'm your public advocate candidate for 2025 under the Democratic Party. I am on the ballot as of now, but we are being challenged. As usual, nothing new around with the Democrats challenging each other, right? Playing dirty games, playing ridiculous games. The only common sense Democrat, is being challenged by a much high-profile girlfriend, mistress, lady escort, lady in red, Jennifer Rajkumar. Why do I call her a mistress? Why? Because it's true. We all know she's not the one in that Turkey airplane. I gotta say, she fooled me. I thought she was the original. Why are they targeting us? The one that makes sense? The one who garnered organic petition signatures when their signatures are the ones that they all look like they're from the same person. That's right. One person wrote the address all the way down. Is this the way you write petitions? I don't think so, because I went on my own talking to people, and the person who signed the petition wrote their own address. That's how I made my petitions. I will tell you something honestly. I have more organic signatures than you, Jennifer. And that's the truth. I have more organic signatures.
Mom, I can't tell if you're mad.
And that's the truth.
Or you're
And why does she have the audacity with her high-profile stylish line to pick on my petitions, when she's the one who's close to Mayor Adams, whose every ally is being investigated right now? She should be the one who's to be investigated, not us, not the Chino, not the other public advocates who you tried to kick out of the ballot. It's you, Jennifer. I'm not a type of woman who goes after a woman, but you certainly deserve it. You're something else. I would talk more, but it would just get tooted out. You're a piece of shit. New York, remember this woman, this lady in red escort, who follows Mayor Adams around, who got her popularity because of following Mayor Adams around like an escort. Let me remind you, and please watch the videos that they have together, because they're acting so giddy. And please spare us. We don't want to watch you flirt around in public. You want to do your stuff, do it behind your own private time. Don't be all giddy. Look at that. Oh my God. Watch the videos. Really? You're a public advocate? Of who? How dare you?
Okay.
So now, I'm just gonna talk briefly about my platform. Okay, so my policies are about three very simple things. Number one, we need to be having reform in our bail reform, no bail reform. This is just causing a repeat rotunda like of getting people, catching criminals and releasing them back to the people. Number two, we need to create our very own version of Doge. If not, send the group of Elon Musk here. We must have our own very own version of Doge, because they're right. There's so much corruption going on in New York City. Where is it going? We have a future to take care of. When DJ Elf mentioned that there is that the students, the education department is having the biggest budget. That is correct. But still, our children don't know how to read. Our math is so pathetic. And they're passing. Despite having the biggest budget allocation, our kids are still falling short compared to other states and not being competitive, and they're still passing even if they don't know how to read and write and do math properly. We need, our public schools are being eaten up right now, and we will have, it's that bad that we will have to push for charter schools and get the good kids out of there. We just have to. Because the public schools are going down in a way that we can't control, that we need to get the good kids out there. Why is the budget taken out? Because it's not working. The budget is not going to where it's supposed to go. That's why our other opponents are stopping President Trump, because why is he cutting the budget? Because why would you keep on putting budget on things that's not working out? We might as well just get these kids out of there and put them in charter schools and private schools and religious schools of the children's preference, and there where they can be protected. That is the 3 platforms right now, my friends. And I hope to see you in the primary, and I hope to see you in the general elections. And together, we're going to do this together. And it's time that somebody gets elected who's not part of the machine. And the independent line will be a very important factor at this. Not only just to have a representative or to have an alternative. I am not okay with that. Running is not about being an alternative. Running is about winning. Running is about winning. And you get your right candidates out there. New York, wake up, stand up. Take everybody out of the machine, who's a part of this machine, out of there. And put the right candidate. Thank you.
Thank you.